What's up, Michelle Pfeiffers? That's a weird one. Hey, before I get into today's Typewriter Series, my signal fire today is one of my favorites that I've ever written in the entirety of my life. I think it's beautiful. I call it prosatry because it's a mixture of poetry and prose. I think you'd love it. It's on tylernot.com. If you're not listening and reading those, you're really doing me and yourself a disservice because they probably are my favorite writing that I'm ever allowed to do. So, if you haven't read it yet, pop over there. Today's is called Revisions to Decisions. It's a good essay. Typewriter Series number 434. Here's your wee paper. It looks like sunshine. It's so bright yellow. Let's do it. You smiled at me, and suddenly I realized. Until he found his flower, the honeybee did not even begin to realize he was a honeybee at all. That's a self-portrait. I'm the honeybee. I love you a lot. Yeah, go read The Signal Fire, please. Please. Maybe I'll make a little video about it today because I like it that much. Also, Liverpool is back in action in about 20 minutes. Love you a lot. Have a cool day.